Alright, so I'm down at my parents' house. It's my mom's birthday, and it's one of my mom's favorite drinks to have is what's called a green ice. It is basically a pina colada, but you're adding Midori. Adds a nice melon flavor as well. It turns it very green. It makes a gorgeous drink. So we're going to go ahead. We already have our mixer here for our blender with some ice in it. We're doing roughly 4 ounces of pina colada mix. Just make it real simple. You don't have to go with the pineapple juice and creme de coco. You can if you want to, but you're doing roughly 4 ounces. So we're going to go ahead and pour that in. Alright. Now we're doing roughly a shot to a shot and a half. This is a nice double shot glass of white rum. And then the same with the Midori, shot and a half. Now, I have never filmed using a blender, so honestly, I do not know how loud this is going to be. But, we're going to go ahead and put our top on, slap it onto our blender, and we're going to blend it up. Make sure those air bubbles are out. We're going to go ahead and pull it out. Pour them into our glasses. Now obviously you can use a larger blender to make more drinks. And then for that cutesy effect, we're going to top it off. Here I have some maraschino cherries, some already cut up pineapple. It's going to take a nice toothpick, or if you get yourself one of those really nice sword toothpicks, those add for a good look too. Just going to go ahead and puncture them through, put them on top of our drinks here, and that's it.